got you, girl, for just staring at me. Did she tell you how much she like what she sees? Cause trust me, boy, you got nothing on me.
Got nothing on me, cause you haters be freaking. Muhammad on the verses, man, listen to him speaking. Beaten by the lyrical Puerto Rican demon. Leave you barely breathing, weekend for the weekend. Girl eyeing on me, but the world call it cheating. No doubt, kick her out my house, call it breathing. Even grab your purses, cause it be hurting. Led by her boyfriend and her other, cause she worthless. And all the haters probably wish that they be swerving. Ripping out your score from your spinal, call it swerving. Don't be Ronnie in, man, beating with a turban. Muhammad, you want blood, man, scratching up the surface.
Why you haters always picking on me? Did you got your girl for just staring at me? Did she tell you how much she like what she sees? Cause trust me, boy, you got nothing on me. Why you haters always picking on me? Did you got your girl for just staring at me? Did she tell you how much she like what she sees? Cause trust me, boy, you got nothing on me. Shake it down and be a hater now. Take your hands in your pocket now and move it all around. Go to town, make it count, sing aloud, let it bounce. Tell your friends up from the north to come and go to town. Cool down, shop like to play with the noise. Cause us put your boys ain't got no other choice. Cause you think you're bad with the stick that you move. But mine's a little big and goes click, click, boom.
Rugged in the south, we be making all that noise. Telling everybody in the world it's our choice. Vivid and poise, you twitching like a cricket. Broken like a fence in the yard without a picket.
Why you haters always picking on me? Did you got your girl from just staring at me? Did she tell you how much she like what she sees? Cause trust me, boy, you got nothing on me.
Yo, check it. Flow Hamid. Vultures graze skies at fast paces. The earth revolves around the bases. Asteroids draw some bombs in places, shocking people with faces. This traces a gas to people faceless. Bullet hole guerrilla warfare and vendetta. It's wartime like kids in the Guerra. Get strapped with armored vests. Go back and alarm the rest. This is the Pearl Harbor wreck. The same caliber as Virginia Tech. Incapacitate as they pass their bait. At a faster rate and we blast her hate. And it's a new era like Shake Terror. NWO's war on terror. A feather, a weight with a burden of none. They weep, beat, murder and run. Hide behind the Illuminati. Those cats be acting snotty. Hundreds of thousands of bodies shot by the Glock of my Gotti. And there's nobody to stop me. I'm invincible and religious, vigorous like my chicory is. You can't configure this, it's gibberish. I'm ahead of it, the neo-confederate. I've written my date, notarizing header it. Be considerate, let me obliterate. While they hide in their diatribes, hit them in their blindest side. The evil triumph, I'll triumph. Thinking they can stop the earth. With my 24 block, I'll stop the girth. Drive a coupe in the block to try to outride the hearse. Vital signs weakening, you should call the nurse. Imam Mehdi will revitalize their lives. Degenerate like Kime, just one of a kind. The massive arrangements combined. I'm the greatest common factor and you're just crime. Count the seconds as the clock ticks the time. And by the end of this rhyme, the jihad will initiate. How dare you not appreciate the fish you ate? I'm pushy mate, and I'll get you fine though. For harming kids, peasants, and albinos. And how should I know? I work with scripts that flips dinos. Have you arrested? Your chest with phlegm's congested. What the heck you ingested? Your chest is infected with plastic. I rip it. The lipids are livid. I hear it croak. Ribbit, ribbit. You're not what you seem to be. You're what nothing means to me. And never question why the penitentiary. Never mention me. And never question me. I'm well known for the past quarter of a century. I've entered G's mentally, evidently. I'm trusting you're just treachery. Don't you touch your chest to me, or I'll wrestle you into submission. Snap your fingers to fish bait when I go fishing. It's what you get for snitching. I'm under veil weighing in the deed. I'm sworn by cadence and a system to believe. So don't you ever say it's not Islamic, cause you began the war and I just brought it. I'll drink acid and vomit to mark my territory with a pitchfork and you tear it for me. And I live a scripture in real time. I feel fine, I write real lines reflecting exposure to trauma. I'll show your act, question, dot, and comma. I protect my deen, ain't nobody gonna harm ya. Come back with crits filled with tanks and molten armor. To protect thy land which held the sacred. I protect my dreams while nobody else could make it. And there's no way to fake it. It's reality in my mentality which defies gravity. I'ma float up to Galileo and send back again like an angel with a halo. I'm a good guy behind a mask that lays low. Muhammad, isn't it incidental? Spitting flows like lentils and digi instrumentals. Haha. Peace.